Little boy. Workaholic.
Spiky on its shell. The turtle wants to come out. I think that they're helping the turtle. Maybe it got hurt.
They're trying to get her out.
It's a broken shell, and that's when the shell's better.
Wow.
That's it. I think those pink things are her lungs, and that gray thing is the bladder, where the pee comes out. When I grow up, I want to be a paleontologist. Let's examine the stuff around here. These baby turtles hatching out their eggs. Oh, and look at this one. It's like a real habitat. Real cool. This is awesome. What just moved his head? Are we going to be in the lore turtle?
No, we are a rehab facility for injured wildlife, whether they're sick or possibly injured just anywhere on their body. So we help out not only just sea turtles that you see here today, but we also help out other kinds of turtles, terrapins, and tortoises. And green sea turtles are the largest hard-shelled sea turtle in the world, but the second largest sea turtle in the world, period. And the reason why they're green is because their fat and tissue cells are dyed green. That food source that they like to feed on has a pigment called chlorophyll, and that chlorophyll is what stains the fat and tissue cells green. So if you were to look inside of a green sea turtle, they would be that nice green color.
Look at its eyes.